Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the second question of today's Leetcode weekly contest. And believe me, it's again said medium. We'll make it easy, and it's literally easy. And also we'll see that what could be the problem you who are facing it. Might be you're getting a wrong answer. Why? I will tell you everything in detail. And before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. Cool. We're coming with very awesome content regarding the Lead Code contest discussions and OA series we have recently launched for you guys to prepare for good for placements. Okay, let's try to read the question. The question says you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. You can perform the following operation any number of times, including zero. Okay. Choose any character C in the string and replace every occurrence of C with the next lowercase letter. Very, very important. Every occurrence is a very, very important keyword. In one go, every occurrence of C will be changed. Okay. Return the minimum number of operations required to transform S into a string consisting of only A characters. Okay, we just need to convert every string, whatever given in the input, to A of that size or the same size. Consider alphabet as circular. That means after A comes after Z. Okay, this is fairly obvious, and I think you must have solved certain these kind of problems. But let's say, given an example, we are given an example, let's say YZ. So how many operation do you think what will come? What the first thing comes to your mind? Okay. So it's saying every occurrence of C. So let's say means for every character I have to convert into A. Means so no need to calculate the duplicate. So let's try to make a set. Okay, right. The first intuition that comes to my mind is this. Let's contain a set and then keep all unique characters. Okay, this should come to your mind. You can keep any other way. I have keep set. You can use map. You can use vector, whatever you want. But yeah, let's say keep all unique characters. Okay, what next? What next? First intuition that comes to my mind was which was wrong, which might you also think. I think so. That what we do, we just convert y into a and we also convert z into a. So that means just calculate the difference from y to a is the difference is 2 and z to a is the difference is 1, and that means the answer is 3. Obviously in set I'm considering, let's say it is y also, then also will be answer would be the same because all y will be converted in one go. But wait, you're doing something wrong. What you're doing something wrong, let me explain. See, what is the problem here is you are considering extra operations. You want minimum operations, right? Why z is there. So instead of converting y to directly a, can't you convert firstly y to z? It will happen, right? Firstly, it will convert to z. Now, if you see z, interesting. You just convert into one operation is a, and job done. And this is only two operations. Right. So this is the first mistake I made and I got a wrong answer. So this you should not do that directly calculating the differences. And what you can do, just calculate 25 minus the ASCII value of C minus A, right? C is the character of a string. C is the current character in SI, let's say. Right. So this is wrong. This is correct. So what do you think? Like after seeing this, did something comes to your mind that what should we do? So the first idea is almost clear, right? Keep all unique characters, unique character, and let's say we are keeping in a particular order. Let's say increasing. Okay, increasing. Okay, increasing order. Okay. Now what I am doing is, see very carefully. See what I am doing is, instead of converting every element to directly a, I'm just converting every element to its next element. Let's say I have b, let's say I have d, and let's say I have d, and let's say I have uh C. Okay. So firstly, what I will do, I will keep all the elements sorted in the unique fashion. So B, C, D is the final thing. Okay. Only these operation I need to do. Okay. Then what I will do, instead of converting B directly to A, what I will do, I will convert B to C first, which will take how many operation? One operation. And I will convert C. Obviously, again, only one operation required. All C's multiple not required. So C will convert into again one operation required to D. Now I will convert D into A, which will require what? D is 3, right? And you require 25 minus 3 plus 1. You can say that 22 and 22, 23. So plus 23 and 25 is the optimal answer. Right. This is the thing. If you are able to understand, we just calculate the previous element. It is need not to be continuous. It could be non-continuous as well, B, D, E as well. So basically, we will convert all B's to D into E, which two operations, because one operation only next element, and then we convert D to E in one operation, and then we convert E into A with 22 operations. Okay, I think this is E is 4, and then you calculate the difference. Yeah, I think you got the idea. Just sort the elements and just calculate the difference, consecutive difference, add them up, and finally the last element, which is the maximum element, means the rightmost side. Let's say it could be Y, it could be Z, whatever, and convert that into A. That's a simple intuition. For that also, we will keep the difference. Let's say I will, if I convert into ASCII, I will convert a push 26 at the end so that it would be beneficial. Let me show you in the code. How would I do that? So what do? You initialize your answer. You take all the elements uniquely in our set. And then what I have done, there's an extra step. You can do that, but I think it's fine. In contest, it's useful. I did it very quickly. So what I did, I just calculated the number. Obviously, you don't need to push A, right? A is already A. You don't need to do anything for A. So it will make complications only. So don't do that. Okay, what I did, I just push the ASCII value. So basically for D, I will push 3. For E, I will push 4 and so on. So I have got a number array because eventually I have to do that only, right? So I just directly push the integer value. Then this step is very, very important because finally we have to convert everything into A. So either I just write after this for loop, this step, but I thought in this for loop itself, I do that. What I did, I just added 26. So basically the last element which I want to convert is A, and which is represented by not 0, it's 26. Right. So I will calculate the consecutive differences between the elements. Let's say the array looks like 3, 7, 8, 20. So I will calculate what's the answer, 4 plus 1 plus 12. And then finally I will convert 12, 22 is 26 plus 6. This is our final answer. So it's a very pretty simple implementation. It's not very difficult. The core idea lies here. Firstly, we make a mistake that don't directly convert each element into A. Firstly, convert it to a next element. That's a unique idea. Uh, and if you like the approach, so please do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will be coming with the all the questions of the contest. So stay tuned for the further questions. Bye bye.